Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charu's Knitting. Today I will show you how to join two granny squares each other. In my previous videos, I have already showed how to make rainbow granny square. Now I am showing that how to join two granny squares. I am going to make a tablecloth with those granny squares. And in this video I will show you how to make the tablecloth with those granny squares. And this is the first part of the process. This project will be come into two parts. After making 12 rainbow granny squares, I bordered them with white color yarn. Into the every chain, make one double crochet and one chain, and into the four corners, make two double crochet, two chains, and more two double crochet. Then same process. This is the way you border all 12 granny squares. Then I will show you how to join two granny squares. Now I have bordered all 12 granny squares. Now I will show you how to join two granny squares. Watch it very carefully. First make a knot, then put the hook into the corner of one granny square, and from there into the corner of the second granny squares. Pull the yarn into the back loops of each chains. Put the hook into the back loops and pull the yarn from back loops of every chains. Continue this process till the end. Thank you everyone for subscribing my channel and support me. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share and like. Make a slip stitch and cut the thread. This is the process of joining two granny squares. Now then join every granny square to each other to make a tablecloth. After joining the granny squares, I am making one more row of white color to border it. Make one triple crochet and chain 1. This is the process. Make into every chains one triple crochet and one chain. And into the 4 corners make one triple crochet and 2 chains, then one more triple crochet. This part will be end with this row, and into the second part I will show you how I make this gorgeous tablecloth. See you in my next video, and thank you again for support me.